Hello again. Right, so I'm close to completing the Boromir shield, and this boss area is surprisingly complicated. I've got a ring of decoration on the front, and then I've got a ring on the inside. But this dome, this kind of boss dome part, I think it has to pass through a hole in the shield and then have a hollow, obviously. But it doesn't seem to be connected to the business at the front, which is unusual. And you can see that I'm lowering the distance of the front decoration. They're not connected, so that just pops through a hole in the shield itself and is connected at the back. So yeah, there we are. I've got all the parts, pretty much, just the handle, and we're good to go.